Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this video, we will learn different techniques of animation. Animators have invented and used a variety of different animation techniques to create animation. Let's start with traditional animation. Traditional animation is an animation technique in which each frame is drawn by hand. It was the process used for the most animated films of the 20th century. An animator draws the characters, layout, and backgrounds on paper. Each drawing in the animation would be slightly different than the one before it and the one following it, creating the illusion of movement when everything is put onto film. Once all the animation has been drawn on paper, it is then photocopied or retraced onto transparent acetate sheets called cells. After the line art is transferred onto the cells, paint is applied to the images using a color chart that is predetermined for each character or element of the movie. The completed character cells are photographed one by one against a painted background by a rostrum camera onto motion picture film. With today's technology, this traditional animation technique of using cells to color animation drawings is outdated. It is possible to hand draw animation, then scan the drawings to color them digitally using computer software. Examples of traditionally animated feature films include Pinocchio, Animal Farm, and The Illusionist. Traditionally animated films which were produced with the aid of computer technology include The Lion King, The Prince of Egypt, Akira, and Spirited Away. Before we move on, let's understand the difference between full animation and limited animation. Full animation. Full animation refers to the process of producing high quality traditional animated films that regularly use detailed drawings and possible movement having a smooth animation. They can be made in variety of styles from more realistic animated works produced by Walt Disney Studios like The Lion King, Aladdin, etc. to more cartoon styles of Warner Brothers Animated Studio. Many of the Disney animated features are examples of full animation. Limited animation. Limited animation involves the use of less detailed or more stylized drawings and methods of movement, usually a choppy or skippy movement animation. It was pioneered by the artists at the American studio United Productions of America. Limited animation can be used as a method of stylized artistic expression as in Gerard McBoing Boing, Yellow Submarine, and certain anime produced in Japan. Its primary use, however, has been in producing cost effective animated content for media, for television, and later the internet. Next, rotoscoping. Rotoscoping is a technique patented by Max Fleischer in 1917 where animators trace live action movement frame by frame. The source film can be directly copied from actors' outlines into animated drawing as in The Lord of the Rings or used in a stylized and expressive manner as in The Walking Life. Next, live action animation. Live action animation is a technique combining hand drawn characters into live action shots or live action actors into animated shorts. One of the earlier uses was in Coco the Clown when Coco was drawn over live action footage. Other examples include Who Framed Roger Rabbit and Space Jam. Next, stop motion animation. Stop motion animation is used to describe animation created by physically manipulating real world objects and photographing them one frame of a film at a time to create the illusion of movement. Computer software is widely available to create this type of animation. However, traditional stop motion animation is usually less expensive and time consuming to produce than current computer animation. There are many different types of stop motion animation, usually named after the medium used to create the animation. Puppet animation. Puppet animation is a development of stop motion animation. Rather than using objects in different frames, puppets were introduced due to their human-like qualities, so directors can move the puppet freely and more easily to show different movements. It works by taking pictures and moving the puppet in different frames. Examples include Fantastic Mr. Fox, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Kubo and Two Strings, Caroline, etc. Puppetoon are puppet animated films which typically use a different version of puppet for different frames rather than simply manipulating one existing puppet. Clay animation. Clay animation uses figures made of clay or similar malleable material to create stop motion animation. The figures may have an armature or wireframe inside, similar to puppet animation, that can be manipulated to pose the figures. Examples include The Curse of Were Rabbit, Chicken Run, and The Adventures of Mark Twain. Strata cut is an animation technique which photographs layers of colored clay slide piece by piece and then played back to simulate movements. Cutout animation. Cutout animation is a form of stop motion animation using flat characters, props, and background cut from materials such as paper, card, stiff fabric, or even photographs. The props would be cut out and used as puppet for stop motion. Examples include the pilot episode of South Park. Silhouette animation is a variant of cutout animation in which characters are backlit and only visible as silhouette. Examples include The Adventures of Prince Ahmed. Model animation. Model animation is a form of stop motion animation designed to merge with live action footage to create the illusion of a real world fantasy sequence. Examples include King Kong. Go motion is a variant of model animation that uses various techniques to create motion blur between frames of a film, which is not present in traditional stop motion. Object animation. Object animation is a form of stop motion animation that involves the animated movements of any non-drawn object such as toys, blocks, dolls, etc. Graphic animation uses non-drawn flat visual graphic material such as photographs, newspaper clippings, magazines, etc., which are sometimes manipulated frame by frame to create movement. A brick film is a film made using Lego bricks or other similar plastic construction toys. Pixelation. Pixelation is a form of stop motion animation in which you animate live actors instead of clay figures. This allows for a number of surreal effects including disappearance and reappearance, allowing people to appear to slide across ground and other effects. Examples of pixelation include The Secret Adventures of Tom Thumb and Angry Kid shorts. Next, computer animation. Computer animation is the art of creating moving images via the use of computer. The two types of computer animation are 2D animation and 3D animation. 2D animation. 2D animation is the art of creating movement in two-dimensional space. 2D animation figures are created or edited on the computer using 2D bitmap graphics or created and edited using 2D vector graphics. It is widely used for creating animated movies, cartoons, marketing videos, advertisement, educational material, games, and so much more. Some well-known popular 2D animation include TV shows such as Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes, SpongeBob SquarePants, etc. Movies include Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, The Lion King, The Jungle Book, etc. 3D animation. 3D animation is a process of generating three-dimensional moving images in a digital environment. Careful manipulation of 3D models or objects is carried out within 3D software for exporting picture sequences, giving them the illusion of animation or movement. 3D animation is widely used in gaming, movies, medical, biotechnology, aerospace, etc. Some well-known popular 3D animation include TV shows such as Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Star Wars Rebels, Andy Pirkey, and movies such as Toy Story, Big Hero 6, How to Train Your Dragon, etc. Let's look at some familiar 3D terms. Cell shading is a style of computer rendering that replaces the shading gradient of conventional rendering with flat colors and shadows. Examples include Iron Man, The Armored Adventures, The Iron Giant, etc. Motion capture is used when live action actors wear special suits that allow computers to copy their movement into CG characters. Examples include Avatar, The Adventures of Tintin, etc. Photorealistic animation is used primarily for animation that attempts to resemble real life using advanced rendering that mimics in detail skin, plants, water, fire, clouds, etc. Examples include How to Train Your Dragon, etc. Next, mechanical animation. Mechanical 3D product animation is the process of creating realistic three-dimensional CGI animation to visually represent the configuration, assemblies, and methods of various mechanical products and their components. Types of mechanical animation are as follows. Animatronics. Animatronics is a combination of animation and electronics. It may be pre-programmed or remotely controlled. This puppet may look similar to human beings or like a different species. Animatronic creation include animals, plants, mythical creatures, etc. In other words, we can say that it is the illusion of life with electronic creatures. Audio animatronics is a form of robotic animation combined with 3D animation created by Walt Disney Imagineering, used for shows and attractions at Disney theme parks. Next, Chuckymation. Chuckymation is a combination of stop frame animation and live action shots where things are simply thrown or dropped into frame or wiggled around to simulate talking. Next, the Magic Lantern used mechanical slides to project moving images. Other animation type, techniques, and approaches are as follows: hydro techniques, drawn on film animation, paint on glass animation, erasure animation, pin screen animation, sand animation, flipbook, character animation, multi sketching, special effects animation.